As you all know, my life is insane. Here we have pressure cooker pasta. It's straightforward, and this recipe is great because you can adapt it with the ingredients you like. All right, you can make it healthier, you can make it richer, however you want. Here, in the pressure cooker, I sautéed 70 grams of bacon in its own fat and added 2 tablespoons of yellow bell pepper. If you dislike bell pepper, you can skip it. I sautéed half an onion in this mixture here, added half an onion, and also added a large clove of garlic. And now I'm going to add a can of diced peeled tomatoes. I buy these tomatoes at the supermarket, but you can use whole tomatoes too, then you just break them up a bit. And if you don't want to use the canned ones, you can use fresh tomatoes. That's about 2 or 3 large tomatoes, chopped, preferably without the seeds. The seasonings for this sauce are up to your taste, okay? I'm going to add salt, a little bit of oregano, and some black pepper too. Then at the end, I'll add the herbs, like parsley and basil. I'm going to use whole wheat pasta, but you can use egg pasta. It's softer. So you're going to leave it for 2 minutes after it comes to pressure. This one, I'm going to leave for 3 minutes, okay, because it's a bit firmer. I added 250 grams here. That's half a box of pasta, and now I'm going to add water. I use the can to measure. Look, here's 1 can, 1. Look, the amount of water will depend on the pot you're using, but it's important that it touches all the pasta. See, it's not going over the top, okay? At the level of the pasta, if you add too much water, you'll have to let it boil for a long time and the pasta will get too soft. So look, once it reaches the level of the pasta, it's good, okay? I use 1 can and a little more, about 2 fingers more than the can. When I open the pot, this is what it looks like. There's barely any liquid left. And now I'm going to add the cream cheese. Here I put half a cup of Parmesan, a little bit of basil, and 2 heaping tablespoons of cream cheese. Now I'm going to mix everything together. And now that you've learned how to make it, which will help you out on busy days so you can eat with dignity, tag your friends, share the video, and follow on Instagram and YouTube, Panelaterapia.